Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. So here is a small announcement for all of you from UPSC. The application process for UPSC Civil Service Examination 2020 started on 12th Feb 2020. Right? You all know that. Candidates know that Prelims 2020 is going to take place on 4th October now. Right? The dates were postponed after the Commission revised the date from 31st May 2020 because of COVID-19 outbreak. Now on 1st July 2020, UPSC has released this new notification regarding the submission of candidates' choices of UPSC exam centers. Right? It is a notice for the candidates to submit the choice of their center. Now this particular video will provide you with the understanding of what is this notification, how can you benefit from this notification. So this is an update. Although the application process for Prelims 2020 had ended on 3rd of March 2020, candidates are given an opportunity to submit their revised choices of centers. The important highlight over here is that the submission of revised choices will be considered on the first apply, first allot basis. If the window is full, right, then your choice will not be taken into consideration. So IAS aspirants can submit their choice of center. Over here you can see in two phases. First phase will be 7 to 13th July till 6 p.m. Second phase will be 20 to 24th July till 6 p.m. Candidates have also been given a chance to change their UPSC exam center choice for mains stage of examination also. So not just for prelims, you can also now change your mains center. Aspirants have to submit their revised choices on the Commission's official website. This is the website https://upsconline.nic.in. You have to remember this website. I am also going to provide this PDF on my Telegram channel, Simplifying UPSC with Ease. From that website, from that PDF, you can click on this link and you can change your center. Now the window will open on 7th July till 13th, then it will open on 20th July till 24th July. Right? Aspirants can also withdraw from their application during the period of 1st to 8th August. अगर आपको अपनी application withdraw करनी है, so withdrawal window will also be applicable, right? From 1st to 8th August 2020. Again, the website has been given. Clear? So if you want to take back your application because of this pandemic, you can do that. If you want to change your center, that also you can do. Right? UPSC has been very flexible since day one. Right? इस pandemic में UPSC student friendly रहा है, aspirant friendly रहा है. Time to time it has notified the students about the steps taken for the postponement of exam. It has also been very considerate towards the students' requirements and needs, and it has also notified the candidates that they can submit their choice of center where they want to appear for the exam. And also UPSC has given this withdrawal window. Right? Withdrawal window भी दे दिया है कि आप अपने application को वापस भी ले सकते हो अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो. Right? So I'm going to provide this PDF, this notification PDF on my Telegram channel. Right? And also the link to this PDF will be given on my description box as well below the video. Alright. So this was the announcement from UPSC side. I hope you will benefit from this announcement. आप बेनिफिट करेंगे इस अनाउंसमेंट से. आपको एक चॉइस मिल रहा है, ऑप्शन मिल रहा है कि आप अपने सेंटर, अपने पास के सेंटर को चूज कर सकते हैं एग्जाम देने के लिए. that's a very nice step taken by UPSC, right? So this was all about this notification. I'll keep on notifying you about any step that UPSC takes, any decision that UPSC makes. So for that, you have to subscribe to this channel and press on the bell icon to never miss an update in the future. जब आप bell icon को press करते हो तो कोई भी नई वीडियो आती है आपको फटाफट से notification मिल जाती है. ठीक है, तो आप उसको भी press कर सकते हो. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.